welcome Vice President, Global NI Sales and Marketing, Emerson, Luke Schreier.
Hello and good morning, everyone. Welcome to day 2 of NI Connect. Is this fun? Are we having fun? Yes. We're having a great time. We had an outstanding start of the week. Monday afternoon, we had the welcome reception. There were animals. It was great. They mostly behaved, from what I could see. We had a helicopter. Yesterday, we had an outstanding keynote, demos, sessions. Conference party last night. I saw some of you there. I didn't think this was going to happen this morning. So I'm impressed. I'm impressed that you pulled it together. And then I know there's a little bit of talk about some rain possibly outside, but that's okay. We're all in here. We can cozy up with some test and measurement, and we're going to have a good day today. So it's going to be great. I want to start by piling on to some of the commentary that we heard yesterday. It is just incredible to be here in the room and online with so many talented engineers, leaders, and innovators. This is my 22nd NI Connect and NI Week, and I gotta say the crowd that's assembled here is just unlike anywhere else throughout the year. I'd say, my humble opinion, that this is a uniquely cool place to be in test and measurement, and I personally thank you all for making it that way year after year. Can we give ourselves a round of applause? Yes. All right. I don't know how many times I'm going to fish for applause today, but you're compliant, so it's going to be good. So yesterday, we explored how embracing AI starts with a strong data strategy. We're organizing not just measurements, but the full context around them. When we integrate systems, data, and workflows together, we see insights faster, and we turn massive data sets into powerful assets. We accelerate decision-making across the enterprise, and that is a really good thing. But who ultimately makes those decisions? Who leads the teams? Today, the focus shifts to the people doing the work, and that's each of you. After all, it's your ideas, your creativity, and your drive that are making all of these visions a reality. At the end of the day, when we turn data into insight, and then insight into impact, that requires people at the center. When we talk about changing the world, we like to focus on these big breakthroughs, advances in sustainability or medical technology, space exploration. But none of these things happens in a vacuum, except for space exploration. I do know that's a vacuum. Sorry. Behind every major innovation is a team of engineers that's doing the work. It's pushing the boundaries. It's making the impossible possible. They are the real heroes. And it's not just the problems that we solve, it's the way we solve problems. How you look at complexity, break it down, and then find a path forward. That mindset, that relentless curiosity and problem-solving DNA is what drives real innovation at NI, at Emerson, in this audience, and around the engineering world. And as technology continues to evolve, the way we approach test and measurement also changes. Test is no longer this necessary evil, something that we have to streamline and minimize as much as possible. Test should be a strategic advantage to your business. With the right strategy, it helps you drive innovation, improves quality, and gets you to market faster. Now, yesterday, you heard about how NI's intelligent test framework is built on a foundation made of open software, modular hardware, and a robust ecosystem of partners and IP. But intelligent test is more than just the sum of its parts. Its foundation extends beyond the test systems themselves. It's about embedding intelligence into your systems, your data, and your workflows. It connects the engineer to the enterprise. It enhances productivity, and it ultimately helps you innovate. And the most critical piece, it's the engineers using these tools to push the boundaries of what's possible. Because the organizations that are leading in semiconductor and automotive and aerospace, they aren't just investing in technology, they're investing in their people. Take a second just to think about what's possible. Every engineer in this room has the potential to drive transformative change within their organization. But you have to rethink how work gets done and embrace a new approach, one that's built from the ground up for collaboration, adaptability, and intelligence, artificial or otherwise. I challenge each of you, look beyond siloed testing phases. Build in scalability and data intelligence and automation from design through validation and test. Please reuse good code. Take advantage of your data. Build teams that last and that have fun doing the work. We have always said that it is okay to have fun. Yes. Now today, we're going to have some fun and we're going to hear how different teams are embracing this vision across industries, how they're leveraging NI's investments in platform, people, and community to build a smarter, more connected, and more innovative world.